Hi guys, today we have Super Mario Odyssey as today. E sorry of back. Cards of Violence comic mix chef game. So